Welcome to SEPAM, Super Easy Physics and Mathematics. Today we are going to look at understanding cancelling with multiplication of fraction with Orisheje Matthew. And the focus of this lesson is on how to divide a numerator and a denominator by the same number. So let's jump in. Now simplify 9 over 10 multiplied by 5 over 33. So we look at divide one numerator and one denominator by the same number. So you look at 9 and 33. So let's look at emphasis on this. So the purple, what can divide both 9 and 33? 3 can divide both of them. So 3 divide 9 will give me 3. 3 divide 33, you go digit by digit. 3 divide 3, 1. 3 divide 3, 1. That's 11. Then next, you look at 10 and 5. What can divide both of them? That is 5. Okay. 5 can divide both 5 and 10. So you look at it. How many 5 is in 10? 2. How many 5, group of 5 is in 5? 1. So multiply out what you have. We have 3 and 1. So multiply tops and tops. So that will give me 3 over 22. So this is a proper fraction. So that is the answer. Now solve or simplify 6 over 7 multiplied by 14 over 15 multiplied by 5 over 9. So divide one numerator and one denominator by the same number. So let's look at it. 7 and 14. 7 and 14 can be divided by 7. So 7 going to 14, 2. 7 going to 7, 1. Then 5 can divide 15 and 5. So 5 going to 15, 3. 5 going to 5, 1. So next, you have 6 and 3. One numerator 6, one denominator 3. So if 3 divide 3, 1. 3 divide 6, 2. So multiply tops and multiply bottom. So you have 4 over 9. So that is the answer. Thank you for learning. This is the end of level 1. Get ready for level 2. Subscribe to SEPAM and share the lesson. Turn off your notification bell so that when other lessons are produced, it can be delivered to you.